In this Wix tutorial, let's take a quick look at how to add pages to your Wix website. So if you want to add a page, you can go to the Pages and menu here on the left-hand side. In Pages and menu, you'll see what is essentially your site menu and a list of the pages on your site. If you have other functionality on your site, like a portfolio, you're going to have different things like portfolio pages, and you would need to add projects in a separate section to add more pages to that specific. But if you're just looking at adding a page to your site, you're going to do it here. And at the very bottom, you have add a menu item. And so we can click on that and we can click new page. There's also dynamic pages, which links to other pages and links to like data and stuff. But just a new page is probably what you want. And let's say we want to add like a services page. So we could click new page and it's going to pop open this window where we can add simply a blank page if you want, and then you could start to add elements in like sections and different objects and text boxes and all that kind of stuff. Or you can give yourself a starting point with all these different layouts. So this is an about page. Let's say we had a services page. There's all kinds of services that we could offer, right? And so if any of these kind of give you a good starting point, you could use one of them for this template that we have here. And so I could click on this service here, or this services page, this kind of classic layout, and just hit add page. And now it's going to add a page that I'll leave as the name services, and I can hit done right there. And then this page is out here, and you can see if I zoom out a little bit, I've got this page with these different sections here. And a quick tip here, if you want to quick edit all this stuff while kind of zoomed out, you can just hit this quick edit button. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see all this different stuff where you have all the different items in here, in these repeaters, and all these different areas where you can just edit it really quickly. So that's kind of an easy way to see what you're looking at while you edit it. But you can also just come into the page and zoom back in and move things around and completely change the design if you want. But that's how to add pages to your Wix website.